Hi, in this video we want to talk about how to preview live what you are doing. For example, if I insert now a table and I change the border to none, our table is just for layout. I am not sure if this table is visible or not. I want to see how the document will look on printing. Of course we can press here, but I want every second I am doing something, I want to see how the document is looking. What I can do, go to Window, New Window, and let's move this window on the right. And let's press on Preview. So we will keep that page on preview. We will see every time our page how it's looking. For example, I increase here the font, center, and so on. I want some text here for each letter. And what I see is that the text is looking very ugly. Here it's much easier to read because I have lines, but here it's very hard to read. So let's go to Table. Let's increase the padding. So we have a nice preview now. Also we can activate hyphenation. And let's make the text smaller, even smaller. And maybe the padding is too much. Let's decrease. Okay, so now we have some info about each letter. Let's suppose we want to insert a section with 3 columns. So section with 3 columns with a line in the middle, 80% of the space, and in the center insert. Let's write something. Let's remove a little bit of text. So you can see here that we don't have these borders, what we see on the left. And also you can see the text is very condensed, so again we need to change. Let's improve. So for paragraph, let's remove what we have where is too much text. So you can see the text is looking nice. We have a permanent preview here. For example, if I have a new paragraph, you can see in real time it's changing. The title, you can see on the right what I am writing is changing. So I can see a permanent preview on the right in order to improve my text. So I can press on preview and change again something, increase the size 48, 60, again preview, and so on. But it's a lot of work to do the same thing what I can do with just that preview, a permanent preview on the right. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more video. Thank you.